Hey, concrete fans. Welcome to The Joy of Concrete. Today I'm going to show you something kind of special. It's an introduction to concrete. It's the Easy Make concrete making kit. We made this for you. It's my very favorite mold, the hex tile. And it's some little containers of gray matter that I've already mixed pigment in for you. Make this super easy. I'm mixing on a sheet of plastic. I've got plastic down on my table. You can do this on a dinner plate if you want to. And this is all you need. We got everything. I sent it to you. Let's run through it really quick. So today I'm working with 3 colors. I've got some mint. And I've got some, move you out of this way, some pink. And I've got some peach. A little more. There we go. And I got some of my ma's spoons. You can use your own spoons, or you can use your ma's spoons, or your pa, or whoever. Just use a spoon. Or you can use a putty knife, or you can use a stick, or a chopstick, or a toothpick, or your finger. But I'm not going to send you spoons in the kit. You've got spoons. We don't have to be wasteful. So here we go. This is gray matter. It's a concrete that we developed specifically to make art with. Why? Why don't I just use concrete down from the hardware store? Well, gray matter's got different physical properties. It's not made for, it's not designed. You could make a sidewalk out of it. It would be a very expensive sidewalk, but there's no need. You can use a lower grade of concrete, but this is a very high grade of concrete to give us high color accuracy, beautiful marbling with these integral mineral pigments, and to make our castings beautiful. You want to know how you get beautiful castings? Start with beautiful concrete. You want to know how to get a real crusty looking sidewalk looking casting? Just use regular old construction concrete. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. Make your own mix, design it from scratch, buy your stuff from the hardware store. I don't care. I'm showing you how I do it because I've seen success with this system of making concrete. I've seen success with the materials that have taken years and years to source and perfect. And I've seen success with the technique. And I want you to see success. So I'm trying to make this easy. But if you want to make it hard, you can do that too. Start from scratch. You don't want to start from scratch. This is a beginner's introduction. That's the whole point. An introduction takes a bunch of guesswork out for you just so you can see success right away. I want you to see success right off the bat. Have fun right off the bat. I want your first casting to be amazing. And if you follow along with me, we do this together, it will be amazing. I promise. So there's my consistency. That feels nice. But you know what? Experiment with consistency if you want to. I don't care. My name's not Concrete Boss. It's Concrete. Concrete Boss is going to say, you got to do it this way. I'm saying, here's how I do it. And you can follow along and do it too if you want life to be easy. But if you want to try something new, try something new. Here we go. There's our pink. So I pre-mix the pigment in for you. How come? Mixing pigment is fun. And definitely you can do mixing pigment, and I sell pigment. And you can buy just the pure raw mineral pigments that I use every day. And that a bunch of people use every day. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Big thank you to everyone who's been buying gray matter and pigment from us and making things. Dragon, Akeem, Casey, Lauren, Lisa, to name a few. I'm sorry, I'm forgetting a bunch of names. I'm just thinking of I'm naming those people out because they actively they've reached out. We've talked. We've messaged each other. We know of each other. But yeah, if you buy something from me and you got a question, send me a message. I'll answer it right away. Super fast. Ask any of those people that have asked in the past. And you can do it in a comment. or a text or a phone call or an email. It's easy. I want to make things easy for you. The easier it is, the more likely it is you'll do it. So that's the idea. That's the whole idea behind the Easy Make kit. Is this is easy for you to do wherever, whenever you want to. If you're feeling like, hey, I want to try something new for 2020, it's a new year, and I'm going to do something new. This is new? I think. Maybe it's not new. And if this isn't new, if you're a concrete expert, please send me a message. I would love to chat because you probably got some great ideas for me. These are looking good. That's a little runnier than the other ones. What do we do now? We got some beautiful little piles of color here. Let's just start. I'm just going to push them. I'm doing something. I'm doing whatever I feel like. When I go like this, I'm going to push that one there. Push that one there. Now I'm going to take this color and I'm going to go. This is just one tile, one little coaster. Why? Because it's an intro. I sell a mold that makes 4 of these, and you could use that if you want, and you can make 4 of them at a time and buy the concrete in greater quantities than this little intro kit. So we're just placing in little blobs of color, trying to make the color fit in its own little spot. A little bit of that. They're all kind of touching. There we go. Okay. Let's save myself a little bit of that peach. Dump the rest in there. A little bit of pink. Dump the rest in there. And our mint pink. Dump that in there. And I think we are. Look at how easy this is. We're full. So look at that. Now here's the. Is this the fun part? Here's the fun part. Tap this out. Tap it, tap it, tap it out. Why? I'm getting rid of air. Now, here's one of the greatest parts, and this is why this is part of the Easy Make concrete making kit. We can get rid of air bubbles. Look at this. We can get rid of air bubbles just like that. Anyone who's worked in the construction industry, have you seen how people vibrate concrete when you're working with regular construction grade concrete? How is it vibrated? It's crazy. Crazy loud, crazy messy, huge pieces of machinery. You're not going to do that in your kitchen. This you can do in your kitchen. You can do this. We can do this together at a computer desk, wherever, in the office. Get a bunch of these kits. You could have a little office, fun time, lunchtime workshop. How fun would that be? And everyone gets to make something creative. Whatever. Or do it by yourself. I don't care. We're done. Now we're just going to wait 4 hours. So you're doing this in the office. You could do this in the morning and then say, okay, everybody, at the end of the day, we're going to pop these out and see what we got. That's all there is to it. So I'll catch you on the cured side, 4 hours. Goodbye, everyone. Hey, concrete friends. Hey, concrete artists. How'd it go? Here's your tile that we made together. You and I, we mixed up some concrete. I sent you some concrete, put the pigment in for you. You didn't have to do any of that messy measuring at home. We mixed it up and we dropped it into this mold, tapped it out, and now it's time. Now this is fun. This part's satisfying. We just oh, there it goes. And the reveal. Wow. Kind of a cloudy colors. What is it? Spin it. It looks like a man or a woman. It looks like a human. Let's put it that way. See this little face up here? Kind of sad eyes. An arm. That's an arm. And then these hips down here. And this is part of the body. It is, hello. Look what we made. We made this person, little concrete person tile together. I wasn't planning on that. You probably weren't either. What did yours look like? Who knows? It was fun to make this with you. I hope you had fun, and I hope you learned something about concrete, and I hope it was easy. Did I show you how easy it could be? Was it easy? Did you have fun? Will you make another concrete thing? Who knows? Whoa. Thanks everybody. Thanks for having fun with concrete with me. I'm glad that we got to do this together, and hopefully you got a cool little tile now. It's like a coaster for your desk, or you make a bunch of those and tile your bathroom. Do whatever you want. Or maybe this has inspired you. You're like, you know what? I'm gonna make a giant hexagon, and it's gonna be a coffee table. Maybe you could do it. I think you could. But that's it. That's it for now. Today was just an intro. We just did this little one hex. That's no problem. It was easy and quick and fast and fun. And in a day, you had something amazing. That's it. That's all. Talk to you soon. Leave a comment, message me, phone, text, go to the website, email. I don't care. But let's get in touch and let's talk concrete. It'd be amazing. Bye, everybody.